Hello yogis, it's Rosalie here and welcome to this yoga series for complete beginners. Today we're looking at mountain pose or Tadasana. Now when you look at this pose, it might seem like you're just standing there, but you're not. There's a lot going on in a mountain pose. It's a real strengthening pose. And just like a downward facing dog, it's also your chance to wipe the slate clean and to start afresh. So let's get started right away, standing at the top of our mats. So standing here with your feet together or the feet slightly apart if that feels better for your hips. The first thing we're going to do is lift the toes up and really spread them and then press them down into the mat. And have that feeling that you're pressing into all four corners of your feet. The second thing to do is to really engage your legs. So can you feel your kneecaps lifting up? Now draw the belly button in, and that will slightly tuck your pelvis. The next thing to do is to let your shoulders really fall away from your ears. So nice soft shoulders. And finally, reach the crown of your head up. Traditionally, our arms are down by our sides, palms facing forward. You'll find different variations. So standing nice and tall here. This is called mountain pose. So just for a moment, think about the qualities of a mountain. It's stable, it's strong, it's solid. So imagine all these qualities you're bringing into this pose right now. Standing nice and tall, lots of strength. Make sure you're still engaging your legs, still drawing the belly button in towards the spine, reaching the crown of the head up. Good. Let's take one more breath here. Well done. Let's be back in a seated position. So that was your mountain pose. Now there are three common mistakes I see students doing in this pose. And the first is that they're not engaging their legs. So really practice lifting up that kneecap. You're going to build so much strength in your legs if you start to do this. The second thing I see sometimes is that the belly is just hanging out. So you're not engaging your core. Really think about drawing the belly button in towards the spine. And the third thing I sometimes see is that students bring their shoulders up towards their ears. So remember to relax the shoulders and start to practice sliding your shoulder blades down your back so that there's lots of length through your neck and you have a nice tall spine. Well, thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed that. Feeling strong like a mountain. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next class. Snap a picture of yourself and post it on Instagram and tag me at Rosie Yogi so I can see how you did in your pose.